Oh no, you can test it if you want. I was just messing around.
May ba tubig sa akin?
Ubo lang. Sige lang.
Pero at least walang araw.
Sige mamaya.
Oh, nice.
So cute.
But I don't video record. Minsan.
Sila lagi.
You're shy. Shy type ako. Kayo muna.
Ano, rematch?
Kayo.
Hindi pa tayo nag-rematch.
Gusto ko lang makiupo.
Anong sipat first? 5 lang tayo.
Maglalaro.
Uupo si Erica.
Oo, si Erica.
Sa snacks muna ako dito. No
Kain
kayo.
na.
Yeah, get a donut.
Ay, lagay mo na lang sa bag.
No, lagay ko dito.
Yeah, ipatong mo sa bag. Oh, ayan na. Naghubad na.
Init na.
Woo!
Para nang si Sabalenka. Ay, hindi pala. Iba pala yun yung mga...
Gusto ko si Iga.
Oh. Para namang, ano yun?
You know, cute oh.
Alam mo yung pag...
init.
Alam mo yung mga MMA, pag magwe-wait sila, tapos yung isa parang... Ganun si Igay, sabi ko, magtatos lang.
May humid joke.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it is, huh? Parang sticky.
Nakakapawis eh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Hoy, paano yung TV sa car? Please teach me.
Ay, bumili siya nung ano sa China. Yung parang device.
So, lalabas ni sa akin?
Pwede na, pag bumili ka nun. Pwede.
Sabi, send mo sa akin. Kasi ang layo ng
Bri.
drive ko, gusto ko manood.
Oo, diba? Si Bray.
Sa Pinas din, may TV sa car kahit, paano yun? Like doon sa screen mo, yung doon sa screen yung ano?
I don't know. So, parang meron siyang device na pinaplug dun sa USB or whatever. Tapos, personal hotspot, Wi-Fi from the phone.
Oo. As long as, like, kasi minsan parang ako, ay, nakikinig lang ng podcast.
Yeah.
Wala bang nanonood kasi ayokong panoorin.
Pag-ingat ka sa daan.
Ay, hindi naman ako.
Yeah.
So, minsan nilalagay ko yung tennis. Sa baba.
Yeah, ako rin. Or pickleball, yeah. Yeah.
Tignan ko eh. Kasi
Tanong natin si Bray.
katulad kahapon ba yun? O no, isang araw yung game ni Alex tsaka nung...
Ay, nakakainis yun.
Hindi ko pa
wag mo
pinanood.
sabihin.
Oh, sorry,
Sabi ko sa kanya,
sorry.
Sabi ko sa kanya.
Pero sinabi sa akin ng nanay ko yung score. So
sinabi.
parang,
Oh.
But you gotta see the game. You're
talaga.
like...
I have not seen the game.
Oh,
No,
you
but I
have
saw,
to
well, I
see.
saw yung
And I don't know bakit ganun. Like, I don't know how.
I know.
Talaga. Pwede muntik ko siya. Parang ganun.
Sasabihin ko sa'yo, okay lang?
Oo.
Yung second set, 5-1.
Oh, when I
Tapos
saw it was
nakahabol.
4-1. Wow.
The other set, 4-2.
So ano yun, mental?
Ay,
Tingin
hindi
mo?
ko alam. I don't know.
Or
Kasi-
ano,
Eh kasi si
Hindi siya
Ostapenko din at some point
siya?
din, parang sabi ni Ostapenko, alam mo yung serve, ay, ulitin.
oh, really?
So I don't know kung technique ba yun or something.
Really?
Gahat mo, gahat. Kasi,
It's okay, it's okay. I'll stay, but I'm on the right. I was telling her I'll stay here because I always said to go here, but I'll stay here. I'll stay here, okay? Unless they make you. Yeah.
You and Brian know the game already.
Trying to go play.
Zero, I know. 1, 0, 1. Me. Why do I do that? Alright, third shot, drop. Come on. I'm here. I'm not here! I thought I was ready enough, but I freaking put it on the back.
Oh my gosh, kayo. Out na naman, ang lakas. Wow, nagpalit uli. Gusto mo rin yung boomstick? Next. I know, right?
Hindi tayo makarally guys ha.
Dapat ang BBQ na ba ganun nasa isip?
Ano na? 1, 1, 2.
I'm here. I'm here. You. That's you.
Oh! Huwag niyong makalimutan, Gazelle yan. I know. Ready na yan sa equestrian yan. Sa Olympics.
Hindi pwede pa ganun. Hindi pwede pa ganun.
1, 1.
Oh!
1, 1, 1.
No, it's 2, 1. Wait.
1, 1. One.
Wow. I saw it. Yung bola gumagano, no?
2, 1, 1.
Out.
Kailangan pala batiin yung serve.
Aha. Galing. Sabi mo, galing.
Galing!
Papasok na to, bro. 2-1.
You. I'm here. That's you. That's you. I'm here.
Sorry.
Go in there, bro.
Hindi na tayo pwede maglaro. Tawanan.
I kind of had
Iba
an
yung
idea,
sound nung 14.
Iba, no?
Di ba? Parang ano lang. Yung owl.
One, no? 1, 2, 2.
I'm here.
Stop giving it in the middle.
Exactly. 2, 1, 1. Very nice.
Wow, that's very good. Ganda ng ano, ang ganda ng block. good rally.
At least ako na rally.
Good rally. Finally got a rally. Yeah. 3-1.
3-1 to 2.
Woo! Nice! Nagtinginan lang yung dalawa eh. Ooh! Taas? Okay
Hindi
lang.
dinadrop?
Nagsispin naman eh. Nag-slide yun sa paddle. Okay. Yun! Sabi ni MJ, ako naman!
OMG.
4-4 na. Shut up. Yeah.
Oh god, oh god. There we go.
4-3-1.
You.
I saw the middle.
Let him go. All day.
5-3-1.
I'm here. Ew.
Hindi ko kaya dalawang beses.
Kaya mo na sanay.
Okay.
I'll try that. Yeah.
5-3-2. Ay!
Re-screwing it?
Yeah.
You're good.
Sorry.
5-3 on 2. 3-5 on 2. Thank you. 4-5 on 2.
You were there. Exactly.
May comment talaga.
Fives on a 2. 5 on a 2.
Yun. Yan. Galing. Woo!
Nice.
Yun ang mga tira. Ganyan. Galing.
5-5.
All day.
Mas mahirap pag bumabalik ng madami.
Kaya nga, nakakapagod.
I'm here.
Out. Yeah.
Oh, I love the wind.
Trying to get that little corner. All day.
Ay! Ano yun?
Nice serve, Nick.
Wow. Out.
Yeah,
That was out. It was on the outer part.
yeah. Ay!
Pacheco.
Ay, putik! Walang gumagana ng
Baka wala ng grit.
Seven, 10, 1.
Ay, sayang.
8, 10, 1.
Ay!
9, 10, 1.
Ay! Nag-slide.
9, 10.
Great shot. It went down. That was great. 9, 10, 2.
Ay! Oh my gosh!
My bad!
10, 10, 2. 10 on the 2.
Yeah, galing!
Good attack on the backhand. Here we go.
10 on 1.
I'm here. That's you.
Oh my... Basta!
I know.
Sayang.
Nakakadalawa ka na ah!
She saw that.
Nakakadala.
10, 1.
Oh.
10, 10, 2.
Go, go.
Ayun! Yes!
Bawi.
Gumante! Gumante! Gumante!
Ang ganda ng bawi.
10 on 1.
Dining, you need to go on the court. All right, 10's on a 1. Ay, ganda. You should hit it.
10, 10, 2.
Ay, putik, sorry.
Gosh.
I should have just reset that line there.
Fuck me, man.
11, 10, 2.
What a game. Awesome. Oh my gosh.
Umuulan kaya sa bundok?
What a game.
Okay, I'm gonna take a break. You guys
Okay.
play.
Kumain ako? Hindi pa. Kasi na-distract ako sa games.
Do you need to check in?
No.
For the 9:30?
It's too hot.
For the 9:30?
No, I don't think so. I think she checked this.